Hey, God bless you. It's Pastor Cook. Just wanted to give you an announcement. Service was just amazing today. Had an opportunity to talk about the vision of the Christ Community Church. I know we have a lot of family and friends who are very interested in knowing what the vision is. And so we will be sharing it on the website. You'll be able to download it. You will be able to read it. We'll be, for all those in Erie, we will be dealing with it one more Sunday, this coming Sunday. And we wrapped everything around this title. It's too big for us, but it's ours to do. And the major point that I was trying to make is that whenever God gives us vision, it's too big for us where we are right now. But where we are is different than what we are becoming. And God is slowly but surely growing us. He is increasing our capacity. And at Christ Community, we are excited to have a church full of folk who stood up and said that they are going to stand with me to make sure that the vision comes to pass. And so I'm excited about the men who have raised up. We had one come today. And, God is just adding to our church daily those who would be saved. And so if you're in the area, you need to meet me next Sunday. It is just awesome what God is doing. I want you to remember the big three. The big three, we are pushing the big three. We're going to restructure, reorganize the Christ Community Church. 2, we're going to develop our Community Development Corporation. And then 3, by the end of 2014, we are going to acquire property out of which we will have our office space, our outreach center, as well as a 12-child daycare facility. I'm excited about what God is doing. I hope you are, and I hope that you take a look at the website. Probably this Thursday, it'll be up on the website. Worship is off the chain. See you next week. Bless you.